So for this What Happened Wednesday, we look at how current and using wires and stuff, we can create a magnetic field. So here we have the Biot law where a current in a wire establishes a magnetic field. Then for a current carrying wire in a magnetic field, such as this one, it'll experience a force, creating the equation F equals BLI. Then for the third one, we have a wire moving relative to a magnetic field has a voltage induced between the ends of the wire, giving this equation VB equals BLV, which this can then be applied to our other systems like our DC motor, which we can then see has a magnetic field going around it, a tangential component as well, which we can then find our torque by doing T equals KTIA. And then we also have our armature circuit right here, which also uses these equations to find our general equation of motion down here.